Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use mask as video transition in Capcut. Let's start. At first you have to open your Capcut app. Now tap on new project. Here select the video. Now add it to your timeline. In here tap on overlay and then add overlay here at the video, and now extend it like this. Now let's put it at the beginning, and in here let's add keyframes first, and after adding the keyframe scroll like this, and then you guys will find out option like mask. Then tap on here, and here I'm going to use horizontal mask. And now put the mask like this, and at the end I'm going to add another keyframe, and then let's add mask here also, and now put the mask like this. Now tap on the check mark, and here watch the video. You guys can find out a smooth transition like this. Here let's watch another transition. At the beginning let's add keyframe, and here I'm going to add another keyframe here. Now scroll like this and tap on opacity. Here lower it like this, and now you guys can find out transition at the ending. Now watch your video with this creative transitions by using mask effect. So this is how you guys can use mask as video transition in Capcut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.